Wow.
Come on, Ross, go again. Go it again. Do it again. Don't be afraid. Go back up.
I wonder what happened. He didn't gun it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know what, Dan? I've changed my mind. Let's not catch it. Yeah, because it could do that. I mean, if you had been closer, you would have caught it, and it would have been end of mission.
Cool. It's not fully articulated forward. I know it's not. Oh. Come on, come on. Yeah.
Yeah.